Issues Online is a PSHE resource which is available for you to access on your SiD homepage. It's under the Library button. So if you just click on Library on the left and then go down to where it says Complete and Issues Online and click on that. And this is just the landing page. Just click this link here and then you're in. You may find it's not logged you in on here. If that's the case, just click this area and choose Bolton College from the list, and then you'll be logged straight in. You won't need a password. Okay, so Issues Online is a resource aimed at, I'd say, level 2 and level 3 learners. If you are on a HE course, you should really be looking at using the online journals instead. The most recent topics that they have published information on are in this area of the screen, and you'll also find a full list of subjects here, and some different posters, a glossary of terms. So there's quite a lot of different things to explore on here. If you're looking for a particular topic, then you can just click in the search box and begin a search. I'm going to put poverty. And as you can see, it instantly comes up with a list of top results for poverty. Without me even pressing on search at this point, I'm just going to click on poverty among young people in the UK, and it's taken me into an article. Now it does say that this article is 5 years old, which may or may not be relevant to you depending on what subject you're looking at, but it does give you a prompt to look at latest articles for this kind of topic, and then it gives you some more up-to-date information. If it's got a little page, that means it's an article, and if it's a symbol like this, it means it's some kind of statistic. So it's a really good research source for any kind of assignments that you're doing, or essays as well, and things that back up your research. It's fantastic. So hopefully this will be useful to you. I would definitely suggest you having a look through, seeing the different topics that are available, and using it to cut down the amount of time you need to spend trawling through the internet, trying to find reliable sources. They're all here in one place for you, and I hope this is useful to you.